Hello and welcome to another quick how-to video. Today we're diving into a topic that's super exciting and useful: how to deploy Kasm Workspaces as a progressive web app, or PWA, using ADMX templates and group policy in a Windows environment. If you're working with Kasm Workspaces 1.16 or newer, this method offers a streamlined way to distribute PWAs without requiring manual installation. So let's jump right in. First, let's quickly talk about what PWAs are. PWAs are web applications that use modern web capabilities to deliver an app-like experience right in the browser. PWAs can be installed on the user's desktop or mobile device without needing to go through an app store. Kasm provides secure remote desktops and applications and now takes full advantage of PWAs to offer seamless access to your workspaces from anywhere. With PWAs, users can interact with Kasm as if it's a native application installed on their computer, without needing to use a full desktop client. Before we get into the step-by-step process, let's go over a few prerequisites. You'll need Kasm Workspaces 1.16 or higher installed and configured using trusted certificates and a secure HTTPS connection. You can use the guided steps in this video notes below to help set this up: Active Directory and Group Policy Management, Chrome or Edge Group Policy Administrative Template files. Alright, with everything set, let's get into the deployment process. First, we're going to prepare a JSON template for our group policy. The group policy object for PWA deployment only accepts JSON data in a single line format. You can use either the single PWA template or the multiple PWAs template. Most admins would not deploy PWAs using two different browsers, but for demonstration purposes, I'm going to deploy one PWA using Chrome and another using Edge. I'll log into Kasm, select each workspace I want to deploy, click Edit, and copy the direct install URL and replace the example URL and save the file. Next, download and extract the latest group policy administrative template files. Locate the ADMX and ADML files and copy them in the appropriate directories. Chrome.admx and msedge.admx go in the Windows Policy Definitions folder under the main controller, and the Chrome and MSEdge ADML files go into the corresponding language folder. Next, open Group Policy Management Console. We're going to create a new group policy object that will configure the deployment of the PWA. Right-click on the Group Policy Objects folder and select New. Give your GPO a name, something like Kasm PWA Deployment, and click OK. In this example, I want to apply the GPO on every computer within the server's OU, regardless of which user is logged in. To do this, I'll drag the GPO to the server's OU. Next, right-click your new GPO and select Edit. Go to Computer Configuration, Policies, Administrative Templates, Google Chrome, and open the setting called Configure List of Force Installed Web Apps. Double-click and choose the Enabled. Paste the single-line JSON from your template into the group policy and click OK. Now do the same for Edge. Finally, let's verify that Kasm Workspaces PWA has been deployed successfully. Log into one of the user machines, and to speed things up, I'm going to force a group policy update. Then open the browser you used in your group policy and check the desktop. The Kasm Workspaces PWA icons should appear in the user's desktop, and the users can now access their Kasm PWA as a standalone application. And that's it. You've successfully deployed Kasm Workspaces as a progressive web app across your organization using ADMX templates and group policy. This method ensures a seamless, user-friendly experience and reduces the workload on your IT team by automating the PWA installation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech guides. And if you have any questions about deploying Kasm Workspaces, PWAs, or group policy, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy deploying.